And now I'm taking out my second loan, like $2,000, so I'm like about $4,000 in debt.
People are being arrested in part because creditors are becoming more aggressive about collecting old debts.
Hundreds of millions of people around the world find themselves deep in debt. If you're one of these people, you know how confining and soul-crushing this experience can be. For many people, all that it would take to get completely out of debt is to have someone walk them through a step-by-step process, helping them take the steps necessary to systematically remove their debt piece by piece, and to do it without the typical pain associated with attempting to get out of debt. If you're looking to become debt-free, we've created a video series that will lead you through the process of releasing yourself from the bondage of debt. To get started on your path to becoming debt-free, simply enter your information in the form below and you'll be taken to the first video.